How to remove gamma watermark. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in this Chrome browser, as you can see, I have created a gamma presentation. And now when I try to export it, it says it will have this gamma watermark. But in order to hide made with gamma badge, you will have to get gamma plus, for which you will have to pay $8 per month. But if you want to use the free version, or if you want to use it freely, what you will have to do is present is directly from gamma app itself, and doing from here will not show any kind of watermark. So that's it. Either you will have to upgrade to gamma plus, or you can show it directly from gamma. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.